Nicki Ainge from all the way from Leeds in England, congratulations, 1440. That puts you in third place overall. You must be a happy bunny indeed.
I am very happy. I played yesterday and only on 12.77 I wasn't sure. I knew I made some mistakes, so I just changed what I thought I needed to change today on the fresh, and as they broke down, and it worked, so I'm very happy.
Used the same ball throughout?
I used Columbia 300 Cool Noise to start, and then I changed to the new release, the Burst, and I used that for the rest of the 5 games.
So you changed after the first game?
Yes, yeah.
Now what about the dreaded corner pins? Because everybody's saying they're getting so tough to get out the 7s and the 10s.
Yeah, I've not had to struggle with the 7-pin much. I've had quite a few 10 pins that block, and to be honest, I think you've just got to keep on top of the moves, because you've got the breakdown, but it carries down as well. So if you can keep on top and keep your ball shape right, then it kind of works to get the corner pins out. So I didn't struggle too much today.
You were the leading ranked woman bowler on the European Tour last year. Did it bring you any plaudits, any publicity?
Obviously, everybody knew back home, so that was good. I got quite a lot of congratulations and things, and obviously Columbia, my sponsor, and Powerplay, they sponsored me as well, so it got a lot of publicity through them, so that was good.
You haven't bowled so many tournaments this year though, have you?
No, I think this is my 5th one this year, so it's quite expensive to get over here, so I have to pick what tournaments I want to play, just try and make my money back, so hopefully to have a good tournament this one I can go to the next few.
Well, you've got a day off tomorrow because you're in the final on Sunday, so enjoy Barcelona.
Thank you very much.